COS 102. Problem Solving, Week 1. Introduction to Computing and Problem Solving. Welcome to COS 102, Problem Solving. In this course, you will learn how computers solve problems and how logical thinking helps programmers design solutions using algorithms and programming languages. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain computing and problem solving, identify characteristics of problems, explain logical thinking in computing, and describe the steps involved in solving problems. Technology has transformed the world, from the phones in our hands to the systems controlling banks, hospitals, transportation, and communication. Computers are everywhere. But behind every successful computer system lies one important skill: problem solving. What is computing? Computing refers to the use of computers and technology to process data, perform calculations, solve problems, and manage information. Computing is the use of computer systems to process information and solve problems. Computing involves many activities, including designing software, developing applications, processing information, managing databases, and solving real-world problems. Examples of computing. Examples of computing can be seen in everyday life: using calculators, sending emails, browsing the internet, mobile app development, online learning platforms, and banking systems. Today, computing plays a major role in education, healthcare, communication, security, and business. Components of computing. Computing systems are made up of several important components that work together to process data, solve problems, and produce useful information. Without these components, a computer system cannot function effectively. The major components of computing include 1. Hardware, 2. Software, 3. Data, 4. Users, peopleware, 5. Procedures. These components interact with one another to ensure smooth operation of computer systems. Hardware. Hardware refers to the physical and tangible parts of a computer system that can be seen and touched. Hardware provides the structure and electronic components needed for computing operations. Examples of hardware: keyboard, monitor, central processing unit, CPU, mouse, printer, scanner, and speakers. Functions of hardware components. Keyboard. The keyboard is an input device used for entering data and instructions into the computer. Uses: typing text, entering commands, inputting numbers and symbols. Monitor. The monitor is an output device that displays information visually. Uses: viewing documents, watching videos, displaying program outputs. Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU is called the brain of the computer because it performs calculations and controls computer operations. Functions: processes data, executes instructions, and controls hardware activities. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device used to control movement on the screen. Uses: selecting items, opening files, dragging and dropping objects. Importance of hardware. Hardware is important because it enables data input and output, performs processing operations, stores information, supports communication between users and systems. Software. Software refers to the programs and instructions that tell the computer what to do. Unlike hardware, software cannot be physically touched. Types of software. System software. System software manages computer hardware and system operations. Examples: operating systems, device drivers, and utility programs. Examples of operating systems: Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android. Application software. Application software helps users perform specific tasks. Examples: Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and web browsers. Programming software. Programming software is used to create computer programs. Examples: Python, C programming language, Java. Functions of software. Software helps to control hardware operations, perform user tasks, create applications, process data, and manage files. Data. Data refers to raw facts, figures, symbols, or information entered into a computer for processing. Data becomes meaningful information after processing. Examples of data: numbers, text, images, audio files, videos. Types of data. Numeric data. Data represented using numbers. Example: examination scores, prices. Text data. Data represented using letters and words. Example: names, addresses. Image data. Visual data such as pictures and graphics. Example: photographs, logos. Importance of data. Data is important because it serves as input for processing, helps organizations make decisions, stores important records, and supports communication.
Users, peopleware. Users, also known as peopleware, are individuals who operate and interact with computer systems. Without users, computer systems cannot perform meaningful tasks. Types of users: end users, people who use computer applications for daily activities. Examples: students, teachers, bank workers, programmers, people who develop software and applications, system analysts, professionals who study and design computer systems, network administrators, individuals who manage computer networks. Functions of users. Users help to operate computer systems, enter and manage data, develop software, maintain computer systems. Procedures. Procedures are rules, guidelines, and step-by-step instructions for operating computer systems properly. Procedures help ensure consistency and efficiency in computing operations. Examples of procedures: steps for logging into a system, rules for saving files, instructions for backing up data, security procedures for passwords. Importance of procedures. Procedures are important because they promote proper system usage, reduce errors, improve security, ensure smooth operations, help users follow standard methods. These components work together to help computers process information effectively. Relationship among the components of computing. All components of computing work together as a system. Hardware provides physical devices. Software gives instructions to hardware data. Information processed by the computer users operate the computer system. Procedures guide proper usage. Practical example: when typing a document in Microsoft Word, the keyboard is used to enter text. The monitor displays the document. Microsoft Word software processes the text. The typed words are the data. The student typing is the user. Steps for saving and printing are the procedures. All components work together to complete the task successfully. The major components of computing are hardware, software, data, users, and procedures. These components interact together to help computers process information and solve problems efficiently. Understanding these components is essential because they form the foundation of computer systems and modern computing technology. Classroom activities. Now it's your turn. What is computing list and explain each of the components of computing with examples. Drop your answers at the comments section. Thank you for watching. In the next lesson, we will explore the concept of problem solving.